Importance of economics. Now we are going to study the importance of economics. Now when you talk about the importance of economics, the first importance of economics is that economics is going to help you understand the behavior. Okay, using economics, during economics that you are going to study is you're going to study understanding the behavior of human beings. That means how human beings are going to behave. Now listen to me well, listen to me carefully. All these three are going to behave how? In terms of money, how they are going to spend money, how they are going to earn money, and everything related to money. So human beings behavior in relation to money, society's behavior in relation to money, country's behavior in relation to money. So using economics, if you have the knowledge of economics, you will be able to understand the behavior of human beings, you will be able to understand the behavior of society, you will be able to understand the behavior of country. Any doubt? Okay, second one, understanding international events. Okay, international event means the events which happen in the world between two countries. There are certain transactions, there are certain business deals which happen between two countries, and this is called as international event. Now right now there is a war going on between America and China. This is an international event, right? Right or wrong? International event of war between America and between China is going on, right or wrong? Right? And this is called as international event. Why? The war between America and China is called as international event because it is at world level and it involves two countries, America and China. Right? Now it is easy for you to understand this war if you have the knowledge of economics. Why this war is happening? This war is not happening because of coronavirus. This war between America and China is happening because of business. Okay, but you won't be able to understand it right now. You might be thinking that it is happening because of corona. No, it is not happening because of corona. It is happening because of business deals between America and China. Okay, at a later stage, when you understand what economics is all about, you will be able to understand why America and China are fighting. Okay, last one, understanding historical data. Okay, using economics you will be able to understand historical data in a better manner. Now what do you understand by the term historical data? Historical data means past data. Okay, that is in the past. Now when you talk about this, for example, British rule. Okay, now British were not over here to rule us. British were over here to make money, right? And if you want to understand what British did and what kind of business they were doing with us and how they were profiting from it, you need to understand economics. They were not here to rule us. I'm repeating myself again. They were over here to earn profit by ruling us. So there is a difference. So you will be able to understand historical data, that is past data of British rule, using economics. Any doubt? So this is all about importance of economics.